Hey everyone, welcome to OpenFilmmaker. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications on the latest videos. So I'm a Panasonic G85 shooter and I've had my eye on the Sony ecosystem for quite some time now. Sony just announced the A6100 with the 16 to 50mm kit lens at $850. And right now that's only $150 more than the G85 with the 12 to 60mm kit lens. So let's take a look at these cameras to determine if I should switch to the A6100 from the G85. So the Sony A6100 is an APS-C size sensor with 24 megapixels. The G85 is a micro four thirds sensor with 16 megapixels. If I were to switch to Sony, not only would I get a bigger sensor to help in low light conditions, but also more megapixels for photography. A big downside on the A6100 is a lack of in-body image stabilization, also known as IBIS. This is useful for video, vlogging, and extra stops in photography. When it comes to 4K, the Sony A6100 shoots at 6K and downsamples it to 4K, resulting in sharper images. Both can shoot 30p at 100 megabits per second. However, at 1080, the A6100 does slow motion at 120p with a bitrate of 100 megabits per second. The A6100 is also not weather sealed like the G85, so you'd have to take precaution when you're around environments with dust, sand, humidity, and other natural elements. And out of all the differences, the main selling point for the A6100 would be the phase detecting autofocus. The A6100 has 425 autofocus points and even has eye autofocus. That is pretty awesome. The Panasonic only has 49 focus points and is a contrast-based technology. So let's see a summary of the pros and cons of switching to the A6100. You get a bigger sensor, more megapixels, better slow motion, and I think the most important factor is the autofocus. Now for the cons, number one, the price, it's more money. The weather sealing, you have to be more mindful of natural elements. Now the biggest con that the A6100 has is IBIS, the in-body image stabilization. Alright, so in conclusion, for my situation, which involves a lot of video, the lack of IBIS means I'll have to carry around a gimbal or Steadicam, which I would totally prefer not to. The less gear I travel with, the happier I am, the less things I'll have to maintain, charge, etc. But what do you think? Which camera is more appealing to you? Now let me know in this poll in the top right hand corner. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. I'm a new YouTuber trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.